Hello guys! Welcome back to Denson channel. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads.
Cathedral.
Good day guys! Today I will be going to show you the Bristol Cathedral,
Hindi ko na makita.
located in the city of Bristol in United Kingdom.
800 years daw.
The Bristol Cathedral was built between year 1220 and 1877. It has a length of 91 meters, a width of 8.8 meters, nave length of 38 meters, nave height of 16 meters, and a choir height of 15 meters. Bristol Cathedral, formerly the Cathedral Church of the Holy and Undivided Trinity, is a Church of England cathedral in the city of Bristol, England. It is the seat of the Bishop of Bristol. The cathedral was originally an abbey dedicated to Saint Augustine, founded in 1140 and consecrated in 1148. It became the cathedral of the new Diocese of Bristol in 1542. After the dissolution of the monasteries, it is a Grade 1 listed building. The earliest surviving fabric is the late 12th century chapter house, which contains some of the first uses of pointed arches in England. The eastern end of the church is medieval, and the oldest part being the early 13th century Elder Lady Chapel. The remainder of the east end was rebuilt in the English decorated Gothic style during the 14th century as a hall church with aisles the same height as the central choir. In the 15th century, the transepts were rebuilt and the central tower was added. The nave was incomplete when the abbey was dissolved in 1539 and demolished. A Gothic revival replacement was constructed in the 19th century by George Edmund Street, partially to the original plans. The western towers was designed by John Loughborough Pearson, was completed in 1888. In addition to the cathedral's architectural features, it contains several memorials and an historic organ. Little of the original stained glass remains, with some being replaced in the Victorian era and further losses during the Bristol Blitz. This is some of the stained glass, guys. And look at the architecture. It's so fantastic. Look at that ceiling, guys. See how beautiful it is. Just imagine the efforts that was made by those people in the early centuries who built this cathedral. It's so nice. It's truly one of a kind. This is the organ, guys. A historic organ.
Tara na.
Currently, there are minor renovations being done inside the cathedral in order to preserve the beauty and the history behind to benefit the future generations. This also served as a resting place to some church leaders who served this cathedral in the early years. Look at this structure, guys. Just imagine how difficult it is to build during the early centuries. The remarkable arts that were made and preserved in this cathedral is truly impressive. Look at those columns, guys. So beautiful. And these are not easy to build, even using the latest technologies that we have these days. Look at those, guys. It's so nice. It's perfectly done. And it is well preserved. And we are very lucky that we were able to witness the beauty of the Bristol Cathedral even these days. It's one of a kind. Enjoy the video, guys. And please watch till the end. So some dedications. And this is a portrait of a mother and son. The cathedral is still actively used during these days.
Ito, exit.
And so many people are coming here to pray or have a visit to this remarkable piece of architecture. And this is the view outside of the cathedral, guys. Even the buildings around it are equally remarkable. So nice, guys. It was indeed well planned. Just imagine being here during the 18th century, more than 100 years ago. Thank you for watching. Please click like and leave your comments below. If you are not yet subscribed, please do not forget to tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. See you on my next video.